Well, change agents in business is saying the essence, because it's change. So it's not only innovation; it's doing different things than they did before. And an agent is very much because change needs to happen. So you need people who are the ones that push and pull to make it happen. That's agents, and business is the context in which we're attempting these changes.
Because I really wanted to have experience how innovation works in real companies or real startups or organizations. That's why I choose this course.
What you learn in change agents in business is you learn to do research, you learn to find out what the opportunities are within a challenge. So it's not only looking at problems, it's looking at solutions. You also learn, therefore, to be creative. And anything we do is always within a team context. It can be a team with your fellow students, also a team on the side of the companies that we work with. And you get a chance to see your ideas, come to fruition in the minor. One of the examples is that we help a customer understanding AI, what it means for their business. That does not mean that our students are AI coders, but they are able to understand what the impact of AI could be on the business and what they should do with that.
We were working with a really diverse team, like an international team from many countries. In the same time, I'm working with a real client, because we were really working hard. We were not just making assignments or report to give them. We were doing a lot of desk research, or I could say field research. We were making a lot of interview with their clients, etc.
When you say sometimes it is an expression, okay, work hard, play hard. That expression really only means something if you did something really together and you came through it. We as lecturers are really pleasantly surprised that students really said oh, I have friends for life, and that energy and the fun is also what we experience with the clients that we have. It'd be very big clients like KLM or Oxfam Novit, the partners that we work with. We also work with some municipalities of Amsterdam, of Horen. And they are very happy, and it's kind of contagious. Students are having fun, asking different kind of questions you usually wouldn't ask. They go out into the companies, they go out into the city. That makes it a lot more fun than just sitting in a classroom and listening to a boring lecture.
If you are really curious about solving the problems and working with the real companies, want to have a big network for the future, for your career, and working with a lot of innovative methodology, you need to choose this course.
You should sign up for Change Agents in Business if you want to really stretch yourself. You owe it to yourself to step out of your comfort zone, learn something new, and look back in pride. And that's something, we really encourage you to take up the challenge. Do something for yourself, and you'll help society.